Hi beautiful, and welcome back to my channel. In today's video I've got this very interesting unit for you guys. We got the block wig today from ISEE Hair. Shout out to them for sponsoring today's video and sending me this unit. As always, all opinions are my own. I think this is a very interesting unit and a concept all in all. I can't wait to get into it and tell you guys my full thoughts on the unit. But as you can see, I did a little style with the 3x6 frontal that comes with the unit. But guess what? There's also two closures that come with the unit. One that has a bit of a highlight, and then there is a regular closure option. I tried out all three for you guys today, but right now I think this is my favorite look out of all of them. If you like what you see, leave me a like. Without further ado, let's get on into it. Hey! I was a little too excited. I didn't rip the paper like I got a gift or something, and low-key, like, I did. Today's video is brought to you by ISEE Hair and their new block wig. It looks kind of cool. It's just a very cool concept, and I want to see it work out. I want to see why they got this big old setup. Look at this big old box. It's bigger than me. Okay, once we open it up, we get a little card breaking down like the different parts. So I'm guessing block B is the base and the different block R's are the replacements. So let's get into what I mean by that. This is like a PR box. This is kind of crazy, but I gotta get out of here. I was trying to be cute and not be seen in my braids, but it's hot. Let's go ahead and open the goodies first. Standard elastic band, an elastic, you know, band, but in a different font. Wig cap. Second box. Oh, it's a bonnet. Like this. Huh. Let's start with the main unit. The wig. I'm sure the wig is in here. This one has a 5x7 HD lace closure, 26 inches. Okay, they say it's for your birthday when you get this package. Got a little seal on it. Okay, so this is the highlighted closure. Okay. So this is the 5x7 HD lace closure with the highlights. I think it's time to just throw her on. Okay. Oh, I like when a wig fit. There's few things I like more than when a wig fit. I haven't had a wig on in weeks, y'all. Y'all like, you ain't been uploading? Girl, I've been sitting there with my hair in a slick back bun. So to put on a wig for the first time in a while and it fits, these highlights aren't too bad. I was looking at it, I was like, Hair is really soft, the wig is fitting, but this really isn't what I was most looking forward to. I kind of want to see what the other pieces are looking like, and I want to deconstruct the wig and see how I'm supposed to flip in between each style. But here's the first one. I want to make sure I give it a good right out the box. Let's move on to deconstructing and reconstructing this unit. So this is the inside cap construction. There's a line, and that line is a zipper. So let's unzip. All you gotta do to swap out the unit is unhook it and zip. It's really that easy. Here's what it looks like when it's unzipped. This is the first closure, and we're gonna move on to the second closure. This is the block R replacement closure, and it is a 9x6 skin lace, 26-inch closure. And I just wanna say all of the attachments were equally 26 inches. And don't it feel like your birthday a little bit when you get anything wrapped in this nice packaging? It kind of like, is it my birthday? It's almost my birthday. Oh my God, it's almost my birthday, y'all. Virgo season is really coming up right around the corner. Get ready, because I'm not. Anyway, and then to hook it back on, you gotta hook it and zip. Super simple. This is in real time. So easy. Once you zip it all the way down, you hook it again. Bam. Replacement. This one doesn't have as good as a fit as the first one, but I'm sure I just need to adjust a little bit. But here is the second closure. This one goes really far back. I have a vision in mind, a style I would like to execute. Here's the second block R that you get with the unit. Not as laid as the first one, but nothing a little bit of a hot comb and some gotta be would not fix. It should be noted I did not pluck this closure at all, so what you see is what you get with this one. I'm hot combing everything to the back just to start giving some face framing, like front vibes, and I like to go in to make sure my shit is extra flat. Go ahead and spray a little gotta be, hit it with the hot comb right behind the closure, and go layer by layer till you get to your middle part or side part, whatever part you at. Boom, flattest wig ever. That's what I did to achieve it right here. I was pretty impressed at this point. I had to get a good look up close, just be like, wow, No gotta be on the lace, no nothing, just a nice tight fit wig. I'm going in, I'm doing a little beach wave using my inch barrel wand, and I'm going various in and out on the curls just to add some texture. But for the front, I'm gonna go inwards. Make sure after each curl you're holding it. This hair held a curl pretty well, so shout out to ISEE. And yeah, make sure you're holding that curl after all is said and done. I did one side on camera, I did the other side off, but we're about to lean back up and yet another shirt. I got a little hot, I had to take off my shirt, but for this part, we put it back on. This is the first style I have, just like a little quick, you know, beach curl with the straight ends. This is a really nice closure. I would want to put a little concealer on it, but because it got this little wig cap part on now, I'm not gonna touch it. But it's very natural. I don't even have it glued on. Oh, you can't even see the hair because of the black. Hold on. Wait 1 second. I said a little switch at the top. Gotta take this right on off too because it's hot. I just want you guys to see the hair. Okay, now we've seen this portion of the wig. We still have one more feature to show off. Let's take off this jacket for one. And for two, let's get into the third block arm. For this block R replacement, we have got the frontal, the full 13x6 HD lace. And it really does feel like, again, it's your birthday because all these came wrapped up in such pretty paper. It really felt like an extravagant experience. This is the full frontal. It had a little bit of a pre-pluck and a little bit of a bleach. Also, the 26 inches is really giving 26 inches on the frontal. So shout out to them for that. I zipped it on, easy as pie. Is that what they say, easy as pie? It was easy as pie. Hooked it on and strapped it down. Bam, you got your new replacement, and a whole frontal from a closure is on. I think it's really cool. I had to put in an elastic band, of course, make sure it fit tightly. And now we're on to the install. We're gonna really breeze through this because we know what I like to do. I like to use this Kiss spray. Shout out to Kiss, fuck even. And I'm spraying that and wait till it's tacky. And then once it's tacky, apply my lace down to stick it on. And boom, here we are. There was a lot of excess lace, so I will be utilizing that later on. But I had to make sure my corners of the hairline matched up with my corners of the hairline. It just happened that one side had a little bit more hair than the other, but that's okay. We're blow dry on a cool setting, and once that's all tacky, go ahead and cut our ear tabs. I did that when I installed it. I just thought it would have a lot more of a seamless install if I did it while the lace was still attached, so that was my thought process behind that. Cutting ear tabs swiftly, quickly, and there wasn't much ear tabs to cut on the other side, so not much to see on that, but do save that. If you're ever in this predicament, I do have a solution for you coming right on up. In the meantime, let's cut off this lace and use our Gotta Be to seal everything on down. I'll be blow drying on a cool setting, and then I'll go ahead and tie everything down with the scarf. Hair is installed. I'm in yet another shirt, so don't mind me and my non-continuity. I'm hot. Take a shot every time I change my shirt. Now I was feeling the install. I was feeling like it was getting pretty seamless, but after I changed my shirt, I realized that this side didn't have as much hair as this side does. So I did a little trick. This is what I did. All I did was take the excess lace from the right side, and I cut a little sliver of it off and added it to the left side. Nothing crazy. Just a little bit of spray, a little sticky stick. Boom, now we got a sideburn that's here to stay. Who's gonna know? Who's gonna know? Nobody. It's style time. I'm thinking I want all of this hair to be to the back, and I want to do a little braid crown. Won't that be so cute? Now I may look a little crazy, but I got a plan. Did my baby hair on this side. I did my little fake edge. Can you tell that it's not part of it? No, you can't. Now let's get into how I got it done. For starters, I just sectioned off a little anchor and I pulled out the hair that's going to be, that's how I come that back. Let's get this hair on my face. And for my baby hairs, I like to just do the back before I do the front. It's been a while since I've done an install. And then for now, let's pin them this way. Edge booster and my singular missing nail finger, like only me. Hit a little swoop in the back. Nothing crazy, just something for the baby hairs to go into. I don't know what it is about me being on camera, but I swear me doing that on the other side took 10-20 minutes for some reason. Don't know what that was about. Ooh, hair in my face. I also just want to apologize for the fan that's going on in the back, but if this fan was not on, you'll be seeing legs dangling from. I shouldn't make kill myself jokes anymore, huh? I'm in therapy now. Also just gonna like hot comb all around for like supreme sleekness. Voila! This where it gets interesting. A little braid. Voila! Baby hairs, I don't want to spend too long. I don't want to spend too long. Let's see how long this takes. Let's hit them with the curling iron. I think I want to finish doing the middle part before I do these baby hairs. I don't want to do baby hair. Is that okay with you? That's what happened. I might use a spray because where the gotta be went in between that and here, who knows. We're just gonna put this on to the back. Use my edge brush to just really go in and smooth everything back. I want it to look as natural as possible. We're in the final stretch. Let's get into these baby hairs. I'm combing them out and then using a little bit of edge control at the base. Trying not to get the ends edge control-y. I want those nice and fluffy still. I haven't mastered the move baby hairs, but I think I could say I mastered the curl and a little bit of edge control. It's never failed me, and it always looks as natural as when I do my baby hairs. So same thing with the sideburns. Comb out, a little bit of edge control, get it down, bap, bap, boom, curl it up, ow. Not going too bad. I had to shut up though. I sure did have to shut up. We're really getting there now. This is the final stretch. Oh, hit a little. Boop, boop. Okay, so here's the final look. I feel really sexy. I thrifted this top like a while. I want to make it a dress. If y'all see me in this, but like a dress and some boots again later on, mind your business. I think this style like kind of shows like, ooh, hold on, I almost forgot. Yeah, that does it. That does it right there. Now I feel very much complete. I love my little top, I love my style, I love my earrings. I feel very pretty. I'm so glad everything worked out. This style kind of had me stressed. I never attempted anything like it before. So I'm glad I could get it all done. Shouts out to ISEE Hair for sending me this unit sponsoring today's video, because this unit is a godsend even. Like a frontal and 2 closures and 1 wig. Sign me up. I don't know. So flat. The install is really seamless. The hair. I'm a big fan of the unit and the concept. I think it's really cool to try to do something new. Last time I got a wig that was trying to do something new and innovative, I didn't like it. This time, I see what y'all was trying to do. Shout out to me for finessing and giving y'all this style. Hope you guys enjoyed. If you did, please leave me a like. It will really help me out. Thanks so much for watching. As always, all information is down below. I'll see you in my next one. Bye, beautiful.